So this is where we are, 15th, and upcoming event. We have Thanksgiving, Native American Heritage, Christmas, and I think Hanukkah. Hanukkah is right down here. So we have the ones in between. Hanukkah is right down there. So let's go fish out these niches using Flying Research. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 46th episode of top 5 print-on-demand niche research. Although I don't usually do 5, but I just call it 5. I usually do like 6 or 7. I just gather all the niches that are trending or I see potential in it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, take a look at this. Did you notice something? 1, 2, 3, 4 of these shirts are similar designs. All of them have sold. And what does this shirt say? Most likely to do something. This one says most likely to do all the Christmas things. This one says most likely to shake presents. This one says most likely to steal Santa's sleigh. Most likely to shoot the reindeer. That shows you that it's a trend that many people are catching up to. So I found other niches in this same trend. This one says most likely to wake up first, most likely to be on the nice list, most likely to watch all the Christmas movies. So what I did this time around is I searched for designs that are upcoming instead of going to the bestsellers, because I've noticed that sometimes when I search in the bestsellers, those designs have already racked up a good number of sales that it's difficult to compete with them. So I usually like going to the seller trends where I can see a bunch of designs that are trending, like this one right here. It's a new trend. This one right here is a new trend that I just discovered on that seller trends. As you can see, that's where I am. And I wouldn't have discovered this if I didn't use seller trends. And that's why I will always recommend you guys to get Flying Research if you don't yet have Flying Research. This is how you can discover trends like this. So if you're interested in using Flying Research, it's a link in the description below. You can use the code MONEYONLINE20 for a 20% discount. So that was the first niche, most likely to do something. Moving over to the second niche, niche number 2, is this Merry Fishmas. So guys, if you can think of anything that you can put on your Christmas tree, it's definitely gonna be a good design, because who would have thought about fish on a Christmas tree? This design is so unique, it's so beautiful, and that's why it's selling. So, and it's different colors of fish. We have the gold, and is this a boat? This looks like a boat at the bottom of the tree, and some other stuff. I see a hat here. So Christmas light plus fish plus boat, everything on this tree. It's really an awesome design. So moving over to the next niche, niche number 3. Ain't no ho ho ho. I ain't no ho ho ho. So I saw a bunch of these designs, and it's similar to the ho 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 times 3. I don't know if you've seen a design like that, ho 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 times 3. And this one is different. It says ho ho ho. It's a mixture between Christmas and ho niche. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, it's funny. It's a Christmassy season, so it's definitely a great design. Moving over to our next niche, Cousin Crew. So obviously you guys might have known why I chose this. I always like to scale my designs. I always like to make more designs so I can fill up my slots. And I always search for designs that I can change words in it or scale it, if I may put. And this is one of those designs. It says Cousin Crew. You can replace this cousin with maybe Dad Crew, Auntie Crew, Uncle Crew, Grandpa Crew, and all the like. So it's really easy to automate this. And I'm working hard on my course. All of this are going to show you step by step how to automate it using a tool that you guys use every day. I'm sure you guys have heard about the tool, but I'm going to show you how to do it using my own method. It's very easy, so I'm working on that. Stay tuned. Moving on, we have this Bigfoot. So guys, here's the thing. Just think of all the themes that you can think about, Christmas themes, like the gnomes, like Santa, Bigfoot, maybe angels. If you can make it into a Christmas tree, I think people will buy it. Because so far we've seen that there's fish on a Christmas tree. Now there are this is Bigfoot on a Christmas tree. I've seen cats on a Christmas tree. I've seen dogs. I don't think I've seen unicorns. But look at this, Bigfoot on a Christmas tree. So if you can make all of these themes or Christmas themes that I've called into a Christmas tree, people will definitely buy it. Look at this, and it's a simple design. You just grab what is this? A garland, Christmas garland. Put it there, then you put the Christmas lights, and you just look at that. Very simple design, and it's already selling. It already has like 10 sales. It was updated today. So moving over to our next niche. So while we're prepping for Christmas, we shouldn't forget New Year. I know everybody's about, oh, Christmas, or Thanksgiving. Yes, those niches are big, but also is the competition. While no one is focusing on New Year now, or maybe a little bit of people, because I checked the designs and just very few people have produced designs for New Year, and this is one of those people. So while everyone is focusing on Christmas and Thanksgiving, you can focus on the smaller niches, New Year, so that before people want to start making designs for the New Year, you have already ranked up or gotten a lot of sales in that niche. So this design, it just says goodbye 2021. It has a deer, so it's Christmas themed. It's also like a Christmas design stroke New Year, so it mixing between Christmas and New Year. It says goodbye 2021, hello 2022. You have Christmas themes here. Yeah, you have Santa. You see this, guys? This is a toilet paper mixed with Santa's belt. It's quite a nice design. Then you have the reindeer here. You also have those candies. Then you have the Christmas hat and the snowflakes. It's a really nice design. And while we're talking about entering niches that not many people are entering, this is one of the niches. Our last niche is a unicorn, a mixture between a unicorn and the Jews, because this is mainly for Hanukkah. Hanukkah is also quickly approaching. Not many people too are making designs for this, so a mixture between unicorn and a Jew gives unicorn. So that's quite funny. I think if you can make a design that is maybe a dinosaur and Jew, how would that be? Dino Jew? Dino Jew. I think that would be awesome too. Maybe you can do a Bigfoot and a Jew foot. Guys, I'm just thinking out loud, because I've noticed that a mixture or mixing these niches, they usually sell, like this one right here. Is it? Yeah, this one. This is mixing Bigfoot and Christmas. Although it doesn't say anything like Christmas foot, something like that down here. Maybe you can make it into your own design. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna sell. Because look at this one. Unicorn is selling, you know. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pre-Entrepreneur KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.